Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dissect and analyze the latest tech products on the market. In today's episode, we have something special for all you gamers and tech enthusiasts out there. We'll be diving deep into the PNY GeForce RTX 3080 10GB XLR8 gaming Revel Epic X RGB graphics card, and why it's creating such a buzz in the gaming community. The PNY GeForce RTX 3080 is powered by NVIDIA's Ampere architecture, boasting a core clock speed of 1440 MHz and a boost clock speed of 1710 MHz. This means it's ready to tackle even the most demanding games with ease, providing incredible performance for your gaming experience. One of the standout features of this graphics card is its massive 10GB GDDR6X memory. With a 320-bit memory interface and 8704 CUDA processing cores, this card delivers unparalleled memory bandwidth, allowing you to create stunning visuals and immerse yourself in the world of gaming like never before. The PNY RTX 3080 features a PCIe 4.0 interface, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of systems and motherboards. It also includes DisplayPort and HDMI outputs for expanded connectivity options, making it easy to connect to multiple monitors or high-resolution displays. NVIDIA GeForce Experience is your essential companion to this graphics card. Capture and share your gaming moments with friends, keep your drivers up to date, and optimize your game settings effortlessly. This version of the GeForce RTX 3080 comes with LHR technology, which limits the cryptocurrency mining capabilities while still delivering excellent gaming performance. You can expect a 43 MHz per second ETH hash rate, ensuring you get the most out of your gaming experience. The PNY GeForce RTX 3080 is competitively priced at $679.99, making it a fantastic value for the performance it offers. But act fast because these cards tend to sell out quickly. If you want to add an extra layer of security, Amazon offers protection plans, including 3-year and 4-year options. These plans cover various aspects of your purchase and ensure peace of mind. Before making your final decision, consider checking out some related products, such as the PNY GeForce RTX 4060Ti or the MSI Ventus 3XOC RTX 4080. It's always good to explore your options. The PNY GeForce RTX 3080 10GB XLR8 gaming Revel Epic X RGB graphics card is a powerhouse of performance, ready to take your gaming to the next level. With its NVIDIA Ampere architecture, generous memory, and LHR technology, it strikes a balance between gaming excellence and affordability. So, if you're a gaming enthusiast looking for a graphics card that delivers top-notch performance, this one should definitely be on your radar. That wraps up today's episode of Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth product analysis. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy gaming!